Hi friends, welcome to Supply Bass YouTube channel. In this vlog, I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite TV shows that I watched in my history, and it's called Thomas the Tank Engine. That after the likes of Little Bear, Timothy Goes to School, Max and Ruby, The Simpsons, The New Adventures of Winnie the Pooh, Bear in the Big Blue House, and many more, I'm going to introduce you to the vlog about Thomas the Tank Engine. It is a British children's television series which aired from the 9th of October 1984 until the 20th of January 2021. And that TV show was produced by Wilbert Awdry, also known as Rev W. Awdry. So basically, this is when, while his son named Christopher Awdry, right, so suffered from measles. So in order to cheer his son up, in which he was ill, he had to create something that was called Thomas the Tank Engine. And that's right, encouraged many younger generation and also his son to be happy and to cheer everyone up. And that's all. Now I'm going to talk to you about the characters. Thomas the Tank Engine, Edward, Henry, Gordon, James, Percy, Toby, Duck, Donald and Douglas, Emily, Cranky, Diesel, the Fat Controller, Bill and Ben, Rosie, Molly, Murdoch, Troublesome Trucks, the Breakdown Train, Daisy, Mavis, Bertie, Bulgy, Oliver, Annie and Clarabelle, Henrietta, Harold, and many more. After characters, I'll be telling you the books that I used to read, and I'm only going to be telling you in brief. Thomas the Tank Engine, James the Red Engine, Troublesome Engines, Toby the Tram Engine, Gordon the Big Engine, The Eight Famous Engines, Duck and the Diesel Engine, Branch Line Engines, Duke the Lost Engine, Tramway Engines, and many more. Afterwards, I'm going to tell you about the TV shows, and I'm only going to tell you the one I liked from between series 1 and 5. Thomas and Gordon, Thomas and the Trucks, Thomas and the Breakdown Train, James and the Coaches, Old Iron, A Close Shave, Thomas Comes for Breakfast, Percy's Predicaments, Ghost Train, Woolly Bear, Tender Engines, Bulgy, Grandpuff, Sleeping Beauty, Paint Pots and Cranes, A Better View for Gordon, Lady Hat's Birthday, and many more. These, what I've mentioned before, are all my favourite TV shows, and the ones I'm going to tell you about, because obviously I wouldn't want to make my vlog a lot. I mean, it's long. Last but not least, I'll tell you about Thomas the Tank Engine. So basically, after all the topics that I've talked about, Thomas Land is there in Drayton Manor. So for younger generation, they can go there to have fun and to enjoy themselves. So if your kids are interested in going there, it's free to, well, it's there when you're at Drayton Manor Park. Thank you for watching this video onto my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and comment on this, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you, and God bless you all. Thank you so much.